Flask, a web microframework used for building APIs and many more. Flask is a Wsgi framework. Wsgi stands for Web Server Gateway Interface. It is, as far as I know, a standard in web development in Python. Django and Bottle, two other Python web frameworks, use Wsgi. So Flask is a micro framework, but what does that even mean? Well, that means that Flask is like a bare bones framework. It comes with the basics, but you can add on to it. And now we enter the world of Flask Extensions. These are specialized modules that extend Flask's abilities. The most popular Flask extension is Flask SQL Alchemy. It is a database Flask extension that utilizes SQL. There's also Flask Login, which is used for user authentication, and with it I made Flask Resting, which is used for building APIs. To get started, open the terminal and type pip install Flask and let it install. Next, create a new folder and call it whatever you want. Inside that folder, create a file and call it app.py. Inside the app.py file, import the Flask class from the Flask module. Next, instantiate a new Flask object and assign it to a variable called app. To create a new route or endpoint, use the app.route decorator. It takes one required argument, and that is the endpoint. An endpoint, for example, to the YouTube video you're on right now. The endpoint is /watch. Then create a function and call it whatever you want, but it has to be unique. The function should return whatever you want to see in the browser, maybe some text or some HTML. To run your app, go into the terminal and type Flask run. To see the result, take the URL that's in the output and paste it into your browser. If you get a 404 not found error, that means that you're on a route that isn't recognized. Make sure the URL in the omnibox, aka the search bar, is on the correct endpoint. To render some HTML, create a folder called templates and put any HTML file you want in there. To use the HTML in your route, import the render template function from Flask and return it into your route. The only required argument is the template name. And that has been Flask Shortsplained. If you enjoy these types of videos, leave a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And that's it for me today. Goodbye.